This video is sponsored by Noregon, the commercial vehicle data experts. Visit Noregon.com to learn more.
Tires, as is often said on this show, are one of a fleet's biggest costs, and that's mostly on the maintenance side. Tire wear is one of those inevitable facts of life, and when it happens, it should be taken care of right away. Running your trucks on worn tires, especially those with irregular wear, is kind of like running a marathon in uneven shoes with holes in them. You can get there, sure, but it's gonna hurt. If I stood here telling you about tire wear with uneven soles in my shoes, I'd feel it by the end of the day. In fact, let me just check. Nope, we're good. Vehicle speed. Let's take a look at some of those on-vehicle areas that could be causing abnormal tire wear. We got an expert opinion on this one, as all this info was provided to us by a frequent FE columnist, Mitchell One's Jake Schell. As tires rotate, a portion of the tire is in contact with the road surface. When the tire and wheel assemblies are in balance, this wear surface fluctuates in relation to the road surface. However, when any wheel assembly is out of balance, a rhythmic hop takes place that places additional stress on the tire at a specific point. As a result, a wear point will begin to form on the tire. To identify the source of the tire imbalance, start by making sure the tire and wheel assembly are in balance. But don't assume that balancing the wheel assembly will resolve the problem, as a flat spot on a tire can still result in a thumping tire, even if the wheel assembly is balanced. Inspect for bent or broken brake rotors and/or drums that could be causing a vibration on the wheel end. In addition, make sure the wheel hub assembly bearings are not allowing excessive wheel assembly movement. Another tire issue is wearing on the edges of the tread. Underinflated tires, vehicle overloading, excessive speed when cornering, and front-end alignment are all common issues for tire edge wear. Of course, wheel alignment needs to include all axles and wheel ends. Items such as bent axles, broken or sagging springs, and spring-connecting hardware may result in abnormal tire wear. Grabbing brakes can also bring about wear spots on the tires. Grabbing brakes can be caused by oil on the brake lining or uneven adjustment. For even more trucking and equipment content, head over to the Fleet Equipment site at fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.